Hello, students. I hope you are doing well. Let's continue जहाँ हमने छोड़ा था. We will talk about today phrase and class. In the West. नहीं समझ आया. And if we say the sun sets in the west, up. I hope sure मुकम्मल आइडिया ले पा रहे हैं कि मैं किस बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. So a phrase is a group of words which make sense but not complete sense. It's called a phrase. Examples: the sun sets in the west. He has a chain of gold. The moon revolves round the sun. At that moment, I was worried. We shall go there in the afternoon. Here, the group of words in yellow colors are examples of phrase. They are giving sense but not complete sense. Clause इसके opposite होती है. Clause B phrase की तरह group of words होता है, but it contains a subject, means doer of action या जिसके बारे में कुछ कहा जा रहा है, and a predicate, means verb plus object. A group of words that contains a subject and a predicate is called a clause. Every clause has a subject and predicate. A simple sentence contains only one clause. For example, the farmer's subject, plough the fields predicate. Both combine and make a clause. So this is an example of a simple sentence which contains only one clause. And a clause gives complete sense. A compound sentence is different from simple sentence. It contains two independent clauses. For example, the students close their books. Clause number 1, as you are able to identify the subject here and predicate. Then it is joined to other clause with conjunction and. Clause number 2, they started playing. Here you are also able to understand and also able to identify the subject and the predicate. So a compound sentence consists of two clauses of equal ranks. We will talk in detail about it in our next lecture, in which we talk about sentences kinds based on their construction. More examples of clauses. The tiger is a cat, but no one would keep it as a pet. Here, the tiger is a subject, is a cat, predicate, but is a conjunction which is used to combine both clauses. No one is a subject and would keep it as a pet is a predicate. In the second sentence, they met me, one clause, but conjunction. I was very busy, second clause. I shall not buy a ticket, first clause, until conjunction. You come to me, second clause. More examples of clauses. In the following sentences, the group of words in italics are clauses. People who pay their debts are trusted. Here, who is the subject and pay their debts is predicate. That is why it is called clause. We cannot start while it is raining. While it is raining is a clause here. I think that you have made a mistake. Here, you have made a mistake is a clause. He has a chain which is made of gold. Here, which is made of gold is a clause. But these clauses are not independent clauses. These depend on others. Stay tuned for next lecture. Happy learning. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for next lecture.